Hey there guys, it's me, Mrs. Hunt, and I am here to show you how to join a synchronous or live art class. So here we are in Google Classroom. That's the first step. You're going to log into your Google Classroom. I am using Columbia's page right now. Your page will look very similar. You may have a different image, but they're all set up pretty much the same. It'll say art, the grade, and then it'll say your class name, okay? Once you're there, you're going to come down here where it says Meet Link. You are simply going to click on the Meet link, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. It says Getting Ready. You'll be able to join in just a moment. Sometimes this takes a minute. It's usually pretty quick. Okay. So what will happen is you will see a screen right here like you're seeing. I'm now seeing my face on the screen. This isn't actually shown to the other people in the session yet. So you'll notice over here it says no one else is here, or it will show you that other people are there. It's up to you when you join and how you choose to join. So if I come over here, I can turn my camera off. I can also turn my microphone off. So I'm going to turn my microphone off so that when I enter the class, I'm coming in quietly. Now, if you're not quite ready to show your camera, or for whatever reason, there's a reason you can't show your camera, you're going to click this button. So it'll say camera is off. If you're ready to turn the camera on, you fixed whatever needed to be taken care of, and you're feeling comfortable sharing your screen, then you can re-click this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to hit Join Now, and that is this teal colored button that we see here. Okay, you can go up to this and just close the button. And then let's talk about how to navigate this. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to change the screen layout. So we click on these three little gray buttons here. You can see these different options here. We're going to go to Change Layout. So we have one where you can see the speaker in this box here, and then your classmates here. You have one where you can see everyone in little boxes, and then we have Spotlight. We're going to use Spotlight to start a lot of our classes for any warm-ups that I might be going through with you. And the reason for that is if you don't use Spotlight and you are in a grid view or tiled view like this, the box showing you the steps I'm taking is going to be really small, and it's going to be very difficult for you to follow along. So you're going to want to choose the Spotlight view. Okay, the next thing that you can do is if you need to turn captions on, you can do that. That's this button here. And unless I ask you, I'm going to ask you not to present. I can't think of a time yet where you would need to present by showing what's on your screen. When you present in art class, odds are you're going to be showing your artwork. So when that happens, you're not going to actually be loading it onto the screen if we're doing this in Google Meet, but rather you'll be holding it up for us to look at. Okay? So let's show you a few other features if you're not familiar. So right here, we can click on this, and this would show us everyone who's in the meeting. Okay? So right now it's just me because I'm doing a demo for you. You can click on Chat. This would be a good place if you have a question to post your question, feedback, or a comment. Of course, whatever we type, we want to make sure it's appropriate. It's visible to everyone in the class. So you're going to want to make sure that whatever you're doing, you're keeping it appropriate for all of us, because we will all be able to see that. Okay? Hopefully, this answers some of your questions about using Google Meet and how to get on different types of screens. As we have class, if other questions come up, I will be happy to make more tutorials and cover other techniques or items that you may want to use in Google Meet. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.